blah 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 blah. Took a selfie today. I took a selfie today. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya, watching me on the Expound. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you a method where you can learn English easily, and it is a quite interesting way, that is learning English through songs. So what I thought was, I will pick one song and I will try to translate it as a word, and then I will translate it and make a sentence on it, and then I will remake that song also in English. Since one of my subscribers was actually telling me that this is one of the good way, because we are able to learn the vocabulary also. So the first one who came in my mind was, actually I thought of doing it quite in a funnier way. So the first person who came in my mind was Dhin Chak Pooja. So this video is not going to spread hate on anybody, but only on the purpose of learning. Only on the purpose of learning. So in today's video, what I am going to do is, I am going to take a line from that song and I am going to translate every word in English. And after that, I would request you to pause the video and then try to connect all those words and try to make it as a sentence. So if you are not forming a correct sentence, you can play the video and then I will be telling you the exact sentence and the correct sentence in English. And also at the end, I have made a remake of this song in English version. So please do watch that. I made it with a lot of excitement. So even though if you're not watching the whole video, please do watch the end of the video, which I actually remade it.
Selfie मैंने ले लिया, selfie मैंने ले लिया.
Selfie मैंने, I ले ली, took it, आज, today. I have taken selfie today.
सर पे मेरे रहता ताज, selfie मैंने ले लिया.
सर, head, पे, on, मेरे, mine, रहता, last, ताज, crown. I have a crown on my head.
Selfie मैं लेती जा.
Selfie मैं, me, लेती, will take, जाऊं, will go. Which means that I will keep on taking selfie. अपने, mine, friends के साथ, with friends. Which means I will keep on taking selfie with my friends. Audi मैं, in Audi मैं, me, घूमती जाऊं, will keep on roaming. I will keep on roaming in the Audi car. सुबह, morning, शाम, evening, और and रात में, in night. I will keep on roaming in my Audi car, morning, evening and night.
Selfie लेना ही मेरा काम, ना interest किसी बात में.
Selfie लेना, taking selfie, he, only, मेरा, my, काम, work. Taking selfie is my only job, ना interest, no interest. किसी, any, बात में, in talk. My job is only to take selfie. I don't have any other interest. चल रे, walk, side हो जा, be aside, uncle. Selfie लेना, take selfie, साथ में, together. Uncle, move aside, let's take selfie together. Yeah, it kind of makes no sense, but come on, it's Dhin Chak Pooja.
पैसा मेरे पीछे भागे, मैं चलती हूँ आगे आगे.
पैसा, money, मेरे, mine, पीछे, behind, भागे, run. Even though I have much money behind me, मैं, me, चलती हूँ, will walk, आगे, forward. Even though I have much money behind me, I will keep on moving forward. जो कोई, whoever, लड़का, boy, मुझको ताके, will attack me, उसकी जाके, will go to him, फोड़ दूं, will break, आंखें, eyes. Whoever boy will attack me, I will go behind and break his eyes. Okay, wait. Okay, let's continue.
रोज करूँ मैं DP change.
रोज, every day, करूँ, will do, DP change. I will change my DP every day.
Change, अच्छा सा filter लगा के, अलग अलग.
अच्छा सा, good one, filter लगा के, will put. Will change my DP every day with a good filter in it. अलग अलग, different, जगह, places, जाके went. Selfie मैं लूं. I will take selfie. Pout बना के. Will make pout. I will take selfie after making a pout. So guys, I just made an English version. You cannot expect the same sentence which I have made or which I have translated, since I've already told you English and Hindi context are totally different. I have just translated those words and make it as a sentences which might make sense. I hope it did so. So please watch the remake which I have made on English, but not totally based on the stuff which I have told. So guys, how was it? I hope you guys liked it. So please, if it was cringe into 100, please don't mind, because I just translated the same thing which was done by our famous Dhin Chak Pooja. So this is not to harm anybody. This is just for fun or only for learning purpose. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much for watching my remake also. So if it is good, please tell me how it have impacted you or what all the things you have learned from it. Please do say it in the comment section, and also share this video with someone whoever want to know what is exactly the meaning of the song Selfie मैंने ले ली आज. And also, if it's possible, please do subscribe my channel also and like this video if you can. Then I think these are all the options which is present here. So thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye. And keep supporting.